Universal Orlando has officially announced many of the new experiences debuting this summer, including the grand opening date for DreamWorks Land. A new parade featuring retro Universal properties, a Lagoon Show featuring over 600 drones, and more will debut at Universal Studios Florida this summer, as well as a new Hogwarts Castle show at Islands of Adventure. Let's explore all of the official details as well as what might be rumored next in today's news update. The new DreamWorks Land replacing Kids Zone at Universal Studios Florida will make its official debut on June 14th. Guests will be able to explore Shrek's Swamp, enjoy the Troller Coaster, interact with Poe in the Panda Village, encounter characters like Gabby from Gabby's Dollhouse, and more. Plus, Universal says guests will be transported into the worlds of some of their favorite characters in DreamWorks Imagination Celebration, a multi-sensory live show that will bring beloved DreamWorks stories to life like never before. Annual pass holder previews will be available ahead of the DreamWorks Land official opening, but details have not yet been revealed. Beginning July 3rd, Universal Mega Movie Parade at Universal Studios Florida will be a celebration of iconic movies, including E.T., Back to the Future, Jaws, Ghostbusters, Jurassic World, Illumination's Minions and Sing, and DreamWorks Trolls and Kung Fu Panda. The Universal Mega Movie Parade will be Universal Orlando's biggest daytime parade and combine 13 brand new floats, nearly 100 performers, and special effects. Universal says guests will watch in awe as they see a massive 16-foot Stay Puft Marshmallow Man atop the Ghostbusters float, the colorful Catterbus and giant rainbows on the vibrant Trolls float, a live marching drumline performing the iconic movie score of Jaws alongside a float themed to the film, and for the epic finale, a gyrosphere, raptors, and fierce Tyrannosaurus Rex aboard the Jurassic World float. There will be a pass holder preview for the parade, which will be revealed later. The new Lagoon Show for Universal Studios Florida, debuting June 14th, is named Cinesational, a symphonic spectacular. This new show will celebrate scores from blockbuster films that have inspired Universal Orlando's past, present, and future attractions, including Harry Potter and Fantastic Beasts, Jurassic World, Jaws, Shrek, Ghostbusters, Trolls, Back to the Future, Universal Monsters, Transformers, How to Train Your Dragon, E.T., Fast and Furious, the Super Mario Bros. Movie, Minions, The Mummy, and King Kong. This next-level Lagoon Show will feature 228 fountains that reach heights up to 131 feet, 4K projection mapping, an original composition featuring newly arranged scores, and more than 600 drones. Before the show officially debuts, Universal says that pass holders will be able to attend a special preview, with details to be revealed later. On select nights beginning June 14th, a new Hogwarts Castle projection show named Hogwarts Always will take place in the wizarding world of Harry Potter Hogsmeade in Islands of Adventure. The new show will feature iconic moments of a school year at Hogwarts, like supply shopping in Diagon Alley, riding aboard the Hogwarts Express, participating in the sorting ceremony, celebrating the House Cup winner, and more. Universal says the show will feature 4 different endings that celebrate each Hogwarts house and will culminate with a colorful pyrotechnic display. Universal also announced today that this summer's tribute store will complement the new parade and feature themed rooms, merchandise, and photo ops inspired by some of the films that will be seen in the Universal Mega Movie Parade. More details for the summer tribute store will be revealed later. Many of today's announcements were things that we discussed in our previous video all about rumors for the Ghostbusters returning to Universal Studios Florida, which is now confirmed, at least when it comes to the parade and Lagoon Show. We've also discussed trademark applications from Universal for both Universal Mega Movie Parade and Cinesational, a symphonic spectacular. Details for the Epic Universe Preview Center were not revealed along with today's announcement. It is rumored that the Preview Center in Universal City Walk may also debut this summer, possibly in June or July. While this summer will focus on DreamWorks Land and these new entertainment offerings, most attention is still being paid to next year's debut of Epic Universe, which does not yet have an official opening date. Other rumors for 2025 have Hollywood Rip Ride Rocket closing permanently at Universal Studios Florida. Rumors suggest that this attraction could be replaced with a new Intamin manufactured roller coaster, possibly similar to the drifting coaster based on Fast and Furious being built now at Universal Studios Hollywood. Stay tuned for more news and rumors for that possible project, as well as additional Epic Universe official announcements and construction updates coming soon. For even more information, as well as behind-the-scenes posts, your name in the credits, and more, consider joining our Patreon to support what we do. Patreon.com/themeparkstop. Thanks for watching. See you next time.